Telegram has always been one of my favorite apps for connecting with people. But recently, I discovered something that took it to the next level. Niceram. Niceram isn't just another Telegram client. It's an upgrade. And one feature that really stood out to me is their built-in AI assistant, Lily. With Lily, I don't just chat, I get instant help. From generating quick replies, summarizing long messages, translating texts, and even giving me ideas when I'm stuck. It's like having an assistant right inside Telegram. Instead of scrolling through endless texts, Lily breaks it down in seconds. Simple, smart, and super convenient. She even helps me translate messages and reply faster. It feels less like managing chats, and more like flowing through conversations. Honestly, this has completely changed how I use Telegram. No more switching between apps for translations, summaries, or ideas. Everything is right here in Niceram. If you're on Telegram every day, Niceram with Lily is the upgrade you didn't know you needed.